Milagro follows two production methods. One of them focuses on agility, using presets and templates to work. The other focuses on freedom to create an individual layer animation by the use of keyframes. These methods can also be combined according to your needs and preferences. To create an animation, you can start by choosing a preset and then converting it to keyframes. Doing so will assure a solid basis to begin creating. To start from scratch, just click twice on the timeline and the keyframe will be created. By selecting a keyframe, the animation screen becomes visible, which grants you access to the parameter of the animation. As an example, let's change the value of one of the parameters. If you add 100 pixels to the parameter translate X, it will make the object move 100 pixels to the right side of the stage. Each keyframe has its own parameters, and changing the parameters of one keyframe won't alter the parameters of the next or previous one. When there is a difference between the parameters of two or more keyframes, the software will automatically perform a keyframe interleaving. Now, let's create another keyframe and change its parameters. See the animated object? Ease editing is also made in the animation screen. The ease between keyframes is always set in the first one. There are some default options, and it is possible to edit their cubic Bezier curve by clicking on the custom button. To apply the alterations, click on Apply. Once the animation is done, copying it to another layer or looping it is quite simple. Select the keyframes you want to copy and use the shortcut Command-C. Now, place the ruler over the desired time and use the shortcut Command-V. This resource works on the same layer, in others of the same kind, and also in other tabs if you have to. And it works by copying the keyframes of a single layer. Milagro's copy-paste copies the animation and not the keyframes with all the information. It means that when you copy the animation from an object and paste it with a different positioning, this object will embed the animation without changing its positioning. This is an example of an animated text. The entering animation was made with a preset, but the pulsating part is the result of a keyframe animation. You can copy this information to any other element without altering their final positioning. If you want to move all the object to a different position without changing the animation, you can alter its top left values. You can also put the whole object in a group and then move it.